Hello friends, welcome to 5 Tech. This is Vivo V17 smartphone. In this video, we learn how you can take a slow motion video on your phone Vivo V17. First of all, open camera on your phone. Click here for camera and click on more option. Here you have to select SLO. This is slow mo and start recording video. While recording a video, it will be like a normal video. Action will be fast while recording. Now stop recording video and play the video that you took and see the action. Action will be very slow. See here, video is play in slow motion. So you can easily record different actions of your choice with very slow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, take care.